How to scroll blocks in Squarespace. So in order to do that, you first need to head over and then make sure to open your Squarespace editor. This is the page that I wish to open so we can see it right here. Now in here, just head over and click on the add block option in order to do this. As you can see, when you hover to a specific part, you can see this add block. Now I want it just below this, so let's hover right here and click on this add block. In here, this will ask what kind of block you want. So for this case, just head over and search in here for scrolling. You can see this, add it. As you can see, it's been added. You can reposition it wherever you want to put it as well. So let's add it right here. And we have now in here a scrolling block. Now, if you wish to edit it, you can click onto this pencil icon. And from in there, you can change the actual content, which is the text, as well as what will separate them. Let's click onto this text right here and let's input right here subscribe. And then let's head back and let's edit this icon right here. We can add in here some more icons that you wish to use. Like for example, if you don't want to use it, you can also add this dash only or add nothing that will actually separate them. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.